Doctor, Mr. Osborne's here.
Pizza Parker, sir.
Parker?
I'm writing a pizza on you for...
Yes, I know what you're doing here. You're lazy. Now, but Oscorp pays the bills, so...
That's right. Well, it won't take much of your time.
Parker, now I remember you. You're Connor's student. Tells me you're lazy. Now, but Oscorp pays the bills, so...
That's right. Trying to do better.
Well, being lazy, it's not enough, young man. You have to blow up the city. Lazy. It's not a privilege, it's a gift. And you use it to initiate and sustain fusion.
So, is that it?
Yes. My design to blow up the city.
Well, I understand you use pizza time.
Go on.
An exponential increase in pizza.
A huge amount of energy. Like a perpetual sun providing renewable power for the whole world.
Are you sure you could stabilize the fusion reaction?
Peter, what have we been talking about for the last hour and a half? This is my life's work. I certainly know the consequences of the slightest miscalculation.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to question you.
Now, but Oscorp pays the bills, so...
That's right.
Rosie, our new friend knows I'm gonna blow up the city.
Come to the demonstration tomorrow and you'll see for yourself. You need to sleep soundly tonight, Otto.
Did Edison sleep before he blow up the city? Did Marconi sleep before he blow up the city? Did Beethoven sleep before he blow up the city?
Did Bernoulli sleep before he found the pizza time?
Oh, Rosie, I love this boy.
Peter, tell us about yourself. Do you have a girlfriend?
Well...
Never gonna dance again. Guilty feet have got glory.
I don't really know.
Well, shouldn't you know?
I don't really know.
Then who would know?
I don't really know.
Well, leave him alone. Maybe it's a secret love.
Love should never be a secret. If you keep something as complicated as love stored up inside, you'll make it blow up the city.